Oh my god, it's been so long since I saw you. What has it been? A minute and a half? It's too long. It's too long. It's too long. And I'm sure you miss me very, 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 very much, I think. Yes. No, Dan, it's been forever. It's been forever. I cried. I cried for a minute and a half, and now I'm not crying anymore. Oh man, I should have. Wait a second. 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 Is the music too loud, by the way? I cried, see? I'm just finishing crying. You right, Jim. You right. But like, actually, how is the music? You can't hear it? Really? You're playing... Okay. Would have been interesting to get those universe guys' thoughts on competing with Mozilla hubs. Yeah, I mean, you can message them on Twitter or whatnot. I can also give you Jack's Discord if you want to ask. But, I mean, I didn't... They, like, had, like, a certain amount of time that they could... what's it called? Oh, I need to move my little camera. Wait a second. Ooh, talk. That's what I was trying to say. So... Music's fine. Okay. Can't hear that. Okay. So... Yeah. We're doing LeetCode today. Do you remember how a week ago, we did the two-sum problem, but we didn't finish it. And then I was like, sorry, y'all. Gotta send everyone to class. Bye. And everyone's like, sounds of, like, outrage. They're like, how you almost finished? Like, oh my, what are you doing, you heathen? You know? So I was like, well, we probably should do LeetCode again today. What is my OBS? Where is it? Oh my goodness. Please. No, I was not even joking about the WTF filter. Please. Please. That would be fantastic. Y'all. How have I been the past week? I've been good. I've been good. I like, can't remember anything that happened, but... Ooh, I had, like, a talk with a recruiter today. I'm pretty excited. They gave me a little test. Oh, and ironically, Peter, if you're here, it was... I put TypeScript on my LinkedIn, and they saw that, and they're like... We have a TypeScript role. And I was like... Well, I'm a pro at TypeScript. And they're like, excellent. And so... I gotta do their little testy thing, and then maybe I get an interview next week. All I remember is Imagine Dragons. Oh my goodness. Album's fucking fire. The album's fire. What is this happening right here? Anyway, it's fire. I'm obsessed. Anyway. Thank you, Blackboard. Yeah, I hope I get that interview next week, and then I have another chat with another recruiter person, and I can't remember literally anything about that role, but that's on Monday, so. Born, okay, I did, but also, I don't know. I also hit 500 LinkedIn connections, and you know what happens when you hit 500 LinkedIn connections, you know? People are like, 500 plus? This bitch is popular. You know what I'm saying? So. TypeScript's so hot right now. Chroma key? Okay, wait a second. What if I do this? No, that made it worse, I think. What about that? Thank you. TypeScript code wars. Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Hey, Live Healthy. Thank you for the sub. Everyone who subbed last stream and I just couldn't talk because they were talking, thank you. I appreciate it. And followed. Thank you. You spend 5 seconds thinking, yay, and immediately desire 1,000 connections and go back to being driven but dissatisfied. But I mean, like, I'm at, like, if y'all are like, let's hang out on LinkedIn, yeah, that's fine. But I don't need 1,000 connections. No one can tell the difference. Can you add me on LinkedIn? Sure. Yeah. My LinkedIn is, hold up. All y'all can add me on LinkedIn if you want. Please tell me who you are. They'll be like, I am, hello, it's Rufio, because I see who you are in chat. I just don't know what your real names are, basically. I know Dan's real name. It's Dan. Okay. Let's see. There you go. I don't have a TypeScript job offer. I have, like, I talked with a recruiter today, and I'm going to do a little test, and then next week I might get an interview. But they said that it's local as well, so that's exciting. But they said that they don't really care about, like, technical skill, and I was like, you know. And I also okay, this is so not LeetCode related, but I gotta like, I'm thinking some things and I gotta say them anyway. I forgot what they were. Jobs. Oh, I think I know what's up with me. I think I know why I don't have a job. It's because I do not know how to sell myself. I don't. People are like, so tell me how you're at coding. I'm like, well, I'm kind of shit, honestly, but I'll learn. Yeah, people don't like to hear that. And so I'm just like so honest, and I think it is not in my favor, actually. So, like, I need to be honest, but be like, also, I'm the shit, you know? So. Your real name is Denaxis McGrovin. Yes. Thank you, Rascal. You can put the custodian and ski instructor. I had someone who talked to me the other day about the ski instructor thing. I was like, so why did you think about me for this role? Because they reached out to me, and they're like, well, you have a ski instructor thing on your resume, and that means teaching. And I was like, I guess it does. You know. Every word out of your mouth has to be how you're the universe's gift to the human species. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. It's Rufio. I am the universe's gift to the human species. Maybe that's how I should start, like, all job interviews. Hi. And I not even use my real name. Hi, I'm Rufio. I'm the gift to the human species. Would you like to sit down? And they'll be like, what the, you know. It's always something to be proud of yourself for. You can code and continue to keep learning. I am proud. Like, so one thing, okay, two things. One is other people who have less experience than me are getting jobs, and I go through, like, being, like, absurdly happy for them to, what the fuck am I doing wrong? You know what I'm saying? And what I've been told time and time again is, like, you just don't have enough experience. You don't have enough experience. And I'm like, well, but they don't have as much experience as I do, so you know. But I talked to this person today, and I was like, so, like, other people you've submitted for the role, and she's like, yeah, so, like, there are 2 people that are onboarding. They actually have less experience than you. I think you're about mid-level. And I was like, what did you just say to me? Anyway, it pumped my ego a little. You're right, Born. You're right. I do need to do that. I just need to learn how to do that. And I have a plan. My sister and I are going to do mock interviews. Yes. Lark, you're the gift to the universe? Okay, but, like, maybe a different universe. It's a multiverse, you know? I seem 72% chipper. Nah, 73. Ski instructor, snowboarding. Oh my god, Banff would be so amazing. I really wanted to do snowboard instructing, but whenever they trained, it was in the middle of my college classes, and I was just like, so that would be amazing. Oh my god, I love Banff so much. It's such a beautiful place. Oh, anyway. What coding language do I use or learning? JavaScript. JavaScript, bitch. Also, that's an affectionate bitch if you don't know. You'd be overjoyed if someone thought you were mid at this point. Yeah, I'm not, but like, I'm flattered. I'm flattered. You're your best friend. How would you hype up your best friend? Oh my god, I don't know. I don't do a lot of positive affirmation. I don't have a best friend. My sister, maybe. I don't know. What would I say to her? She might be watching this, so if you are, you're about to hear some nice words being said about you. She is really nice. She's so fun to be around. Like, she's got charisma off the charts. Like, it's wild. Just a magnetic sort of personality. She's really good at problem solving. Wow. I swear I have nice things to say about you, my sister. I don't know if I can use her name, so I think she goes by Bananas on here. Anyway. Yes, I do have nice things to say, but I'm drawing a blank because I swear I just get distracted all the time. I can make Minecraft mods? I don't know. Can I? She's great. I'm sorry, Blackboard. I don't know. I asked I asked several people who know me pretty well. I was like, why am I fantastic? And this is what they said. Do you want to hear what they said? Do you want to hear what they said, or should we do leetcode? I don't know. I'm just so distractible. I'm so distractible. LeetCode? Okay. Alright. Oh, wait. Now we got 1 for 1. I seriously asked people stuff like that? Yeah, I joined in Mind Wolf's one of their last streams, and they said to ask people what is good about you, because sometimes other people can see it better than you can. So. Which one gives you most channel points? We got a mix-up in here. Okay, it will be quick. I will quickly tell you, and then we'll do LeetCode. And then, yeah. Okay. So, they said that Okay. The fuck? Okay, wait a second. I found it. I'm good at listening, working with difficult people, collaborating, being open to new ideas, trying new things, brainstorming, finding answers to a question, working on a team, being organized, critical thinking, constructive criticism, critique, analytical skill. There you go. That's what they said. Now I just have to internalize those and integrate them into how fantastic I am. Is this people you talk to on a regular basis once a year? 2 of them are my sisters. One of them, I guess I do have a best friend. One of them is my best friend and one's my mom. So that's a lot for someone new. Yeah, that is. I need to learn Vim. Not yet. There are a lot of things I need to learn. Okay? They sound like me. Gift to the universe. Yeah, my mom. You want a hype person? I think oftentimes you can use your parents. My dad, no, because, I don't know, we just don't have that sort of relationship. But actually, no, nothing she said was on that list because I was supposed to call her. Okay, let's LeetCode, bitches. Okay. Okay, we got it. Where's our little chat? Oh, you know what? We need our little timer. Pomodoro, bitch. Pomodoro. Wow. I don't know if my screen is black, but it is, so that's cool, I guess. Because I do have a best friend, not so best friendly. I know. I haven't talked to her in a while, except I texted her yesterday. I don't know. I'm feeling conflicted now. How did I not think of her when I was like, I don't have a best friend? Best friend watching this, like, what the fuck? I would be super surprised if she watched this, honestly. I'd be surprised if almost anyone in my life watched this, because I swear like crazy, and I think they would be like, did she just? You know? I don't swear with a lot of people I'm with normally, so. That's how comfortable I am with you guys. Spent the last month using Vim key bindings and VS Code and NeoVim. It's cool, but you have no regrets that you wait 6 years. Do I promote it or keep it a secret? Like, I don't know. Both kind of. Like, people I talk to regularly know that I stream. But, I mean, on social media, I haven't really said it. Once I shared the emotes and I was like, fuck yeah, emotes are my stream. And then one of my friends was like, hold up, you stream? And I was like, yes. And she was like, and I was like, anyway, I wouldn't mind if they joined in, but I don't know. A lot of them aren't super interested in coding. Joking around is a low maintenance friendship. Yes. Can we redeem channel points for different curse words? I don't know, because I say all of them a lot, don't I? Secret streamer. Okay, so last, like, I can do that if you want me to, but don't I say them anyway? My favorite word is fuck, honestly though. Like, so versatile, you know? So versatile. Shit too, but that's not my favorite word. Anyway. Last week, we worked on the two-sum problem, and we almost finished it, and we're doing 2 arrays, and that's about all I remember. Oh, we gotta guess. I swore once when Jack and Neil were here, and then I was like, ooh, should I have done that, you know? But I do it when other people are co-streaming with me. Excuse me. I lost my water bottle. I don't know where it is. Now I have to drink out of cups. Do I like smashing pumpkins? No, not really. Can't do that to the Christian ears. Yes, actually. Specifically, the religion of my area does not like swearing, so. Okay. That's what I have to say to this. So I haven't looked at this since. I pushed it up to the GitHub, but I haven't looked at it since. This is what we're working on. I am doing it. Do I like smashing pumpkins? Okay. All right. Y'all. I grew a pumpkin once when I was like 12. And it was beautiful, and it got to be like that big. It was so beautiful, but it was green, and so I had it sitting on my porch because I was waiting for it to get orange, and then one day it just disappeared. And then I was watching a video my brothers made like a year later where they went to the top of a wall, had a pumpkin, threw it down, and it exploded. That was my pumpkin. That's what happened to it. And I went to them, I was like, that was my pumpkin. And they were like, it was rotting inside. And I was like, I was waiting for it to get orange. And they were like, anyway. It's almost Halloween. It's 3 months. I was just thinking about it. I was like, it's only 3 months to October? Maybe. Wait a second. August, September, October. Yeah, 3 months. Are we solving this in TypeScript? No. Bright green. I was devastated. No, I don't like smashing pumpkins. I have negative associations. Rip Rufio's green pumpkin like 10 years ago. Anyway. Let's do this. Alright. Given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices, plural of indexes, It's pretty good, King. How's it for you? Wait, what is this a quote from, Dan? Return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. One solution. Can't use the same element twice. Return the answer in any order you want. So, I did prep. Prep being like walking through problems. You find the parameters, what it returns, examples, and then pseudocode. Okay? Oh, it's from Pink Floyd. Oh yeah, haven't listened to Pink Floyd. What does that say about me? I don't know. Okay. I said we're given an array of integers like this baby. 1, 2, 3. We're also given an integer target amount, I think. Indices equals plural of index. It wants the indices of the two numbers in the array that add up to the amount of target. Yes, okay, I get it. Took me a little bit, but I got it. Oh no, not the edge case that took 40 minutes. It did take a while. Yeah, Born, that's how I do. I just go through. I'm like, okay, I'm going to make this one coding challenge stretch. Yeah. Okay. Is it the first that matches the target? Is what the first? What? Is it the first that matches the target or all that match the target? I don't know what that means. What was I saying to myself? Each input has one solution. You may not use the same element twice. Answer can be returned in any order, like 1, 2, or 2, 1. Will it ever be an empty array? No, probably not. Maybe not. I don't know. Assume that will be an array of 1 plus numbers. If not, throw an error, bitch. Assume that you will return an array of 2. I don't know what I was saying there. Fatal, don't give me the solution yet. You can give me help when I'm like, and then you can give me the solution when I'm like, okay, fine, give me the solution, but don't give it to me yet. I appreciate it though. So out of 1, 2, 7, 11, 10, and target 9, the output should be 2, 7. Yes, thank you, Muckety Muck. I like your name, Muckety Muck. Are returned indices in an array. The indices for the two numbers that add up to the target number. So it'll look like 1, 2. No, it won't. So it'll look, oh no, it will. I don't know. No, it'll look like 0, 1. Maybe. I'm undecided. Lark. Let's you start flying. That's a cue to offer hints, but only numerous and contradicting ones. These are our examples. Thank you. I made them myself. Constraints. Constraints limit the number of possible edge cases. Okay. Oh, look. People help me with this, remember? So this is saying that it needs at least, oh, right. This was the weird part. At least 2 numbers, at most 10 to the 4th numbers. And then this one says all the numbers can be in between 10 to the negative 9th and 10 to the 9th. And then all the numbers possible for the target are between 10, what? Oh, for the target and the array are the same range. Only one valid answer exists. Make a function that takes in 2 parameters, an array and a target. All right, let's look at what I did. So colorful, it's fantastic. It's obviously 42. I said no spoilers. Okay, to sum. We're taking in numbers and we're taking in a target. We got an empty array. We say take our array, which is nums for some reason, and loop through that baby. for let I equals 0, I is less than nums dot length, and you increment by 1. That is getting each thing in the array. We want 2 for loops because we want to be able to grab 2 random nums in the arrays, not just nums that are right next to each other. So we do another one. Another one. Where we take j, not p. For j, let j equals I. Wait. Let j equals I plus 1 because we want it always one more than I because we want it to be the one after I, right? And then we say j is less than nums dot length, and you increment by 1. Then we do the logic. I think we should take baby and extract it to a separate file as a constant. Will this help this solve the problem? No, but it will build character. It will. Okay. I just forgot if I renamed this stream. I think I did. I did. Good for me. Nike. Just do it. Anyway. You don't solve the solution this way? Okay, y'all. We worked on it a long time last time. Even if it's not optimal, this is how I was doing it. Don't give me the answer yet. Just give me help when I ask for it, okay? I know don't do everything the optimal way. I just do it the way my brain works, which it doesn't most of the time, but that's okay. I forgot to turn on the timer, so... Okay, so we say... If I plus j equals target, push it to the results array. Wow, I think I'm brilliant. Why doesn't that work? Where's my brain today? I am all over the place. Why doesn't this work? I'm feeling like I really like it, but where's my run.js? Hello? Run.js? Oh, I found it. Found it! Here it is. Well, you see, it doesn't work. Oh, it's because I don't have any examples. It's not throwing an error, and that is a positive thing that has happened in my life. So, yeah. Did I do it? Wait a second. No way. Okay, wait a second. What if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I say the target number is 9, and then it should give me, oh wait a second, oh yes, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Oh, you see, it isn't working. This is a good thing we checked this. You're right, Dan. You're right. Okay, so, like, we thought I was a god, and I am, but, like, gods make mistakes sometimes. You know what I'm saying? So you see what this is doing? It is giving us everything except for 1 and 6. It's really weird and odd. That is odd. I need this energy in my interviews. I do. But also, like, is that too quirky? I don't know. I feel like I'm kind of quirky on here. And I'm here for it, obviously. And so are y'all. But, like, would they be? Oh, the energy. I'm a god. Yes, yes. Say hello. I'm Rufio. I'm a god. So know that when you're trying to reject me. Why isn't this working? Come on, Rufio's brain. Stop. Stop doing jumping all over the place. Stop it. Stop it. Focus. Alright. Let's go through this array and just try and think through what the fuck I'm doing here. So, I know. Oh, look, it's a type error. We just learned about TypeScript. Anyway. It's supposed to be just 2 indices. Yes. Aw, thanks, Grad. So, this is like, okay. It's supposed to be 9. And so it's like, hello? Are 1 and 2 equal to 9? And it's like, no. Then it should go 2, 3. Are those equal to 9? And it should say no. Okay, so I don't know why this isn't working. Yeah, I mean, who wouldn't want to hire God, right? Yes, Rufio is my internet handle, my brand, you know. I have a stream. Gotta live that side hustle life, but I've got time to work for you. How would I break from a function? I have 2. Whoa. What? Wait, what are you saying to me, Fatal Paradise? Linus, I don't exactly have a job yet. So I have a baby job. And the process is, if you do exclamation point 100 devs, exclamation point Discord, you can go to the 100 devs Discord. The 100 devs is an online training program and agency. It's free dollars, full stack JavaScript. But the teacher in that, they talk about how to get a job in tech, and this is how you do it. You network. So what I've been doing is I've been going to job listings, and then I find someone who works at that company or who might be hiring there, and then I'm like, hello, you want a coffee chat? And then hopefully they give me a referral, because that sends my what's it called, my resume to the top of the stack. You know, people want to hire you if they know you. ATS will just scan you out, and then by doing interview prep, if anyone has Banky, could you drop the link? There's a bank of interview questions, behavioral and technical, and you just study those babies. Now, I haven't been studying those babies, and so I haven't gotten a job. Thank you, Dan. Thank you. Oh, I see. Not Dan. I see blood. Oh, I see. Oh, wait a second. Oh, I see. Wait. 5, 9, 3%, 6. Wait a second, but these don't line up with it, do they? The indices correspond to those numbers. Oh, they do. So if you're looking for the indices, it would be correct. Oh, wow. So the problem here is that I'm getting all the relevant pairs. Is that what's up? So how do I say only the first one? You need the first one to add to those numbers. You need a way to break out of that loop. Pretty simple fix for someone who knows what they're doing. Return breaks loops, but it's after the loops are done. What would break out of that loop? That's a fantastic question. Hmm. You don't need a result array, since you only need one result. Pre-camp is hard to do. It is Rufio. Is that Rabbit? Is that Rabbit? Hi. Google break out of a loop. Okay. All right. You would return an array with the indices, but you need to initialize it or push it at all. Okay, what if I say well, that is certainly giving me a different answer, so that's cool. But look at this. You know what I'm saying? It is correct, but then why is it doing funky shit? Peep the indices. Aren't they peeped? Wait a second. But so 2, 2, okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. 0, 1, 2. Wait, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, so I just wrote the completely wrong thing here, huh? Hey, Firewall. Wow. I am talented. I'm a talented girl. Look, how they match up. So apparently I'm just really bad at counting indices. Did we do it? I didn't hear the drank. Did we hear the drank? And this is why it's important in test-driven development to make sure you're actually testing for what you want. You're right. Negative on the drank? What the hell? Sometimes it just does not even work. Wait a second. What? It was working in the last stream. I'm not sure what's going on. I just did we did 3 sounds. Where are the sounds? Where are the sounds? I'm feeling offended. Sometimes it just doesn't work and I don't know why. No, it's not working. I guess I'll just have to say, I can't work! I got a full bed rat! There you go. Personally fulfill all the whatever they're called here. I don't know how to do the what doing one. What doing? What doing? Oh, what else does it say? I don't remember what else. Anyway, it says other stuff. What doing? And then drank. There you go. Okay. Curious. So. Let's talk about why this works. Okay? Why does this work? When's the next Peter stream? Do you know he's 25? I did. I did. But Peter started a job. For setting booby traps. Wow. What if you executed some code, someone else's code, and then pop up on your screen with the audio, surprise, shawty! I'm thinking yes. I gotta be able to explain this, y'all. Okay. So we do nested for loops. So we want to look through an array and be like, do you two numbers equal the target number? And we do that, we gotta get those two numbers. We can't just use one for loop, or maybe we could, but we're not in this solution. If we just use one for loop, we would only be looking at numbers that were right next to each other. So we do another for loop that starts at I plus 1. So it's always one past I starting. Iteration. And then we say if the index of this number and the index of this number equals to be the target, return those two thingamajiggers. Does that make sense? I don't know. First job, you're at VBA macros. What does that mean? And you had one that did a lot of processing. At the end of it, would load and play an audio file. Fantastic. Blackboard. Okay. You know how I do it? Have you seen me? We're not talking about focus. I don't know. I get energized by hanging with y'all. So I need to look at our that one thing. What is that one called? Do you remember? It's called GitHub. It's called GitHub. You want to see angry Rufio? I don't think I've ever been angry on stream. I don't get angry very often. So is n squared, that's not quadratic, is it? Or is it? It is. I still need to like get back on big O notation. I just don't really know what it means anymore, but like, you know, VB is a scripting language for Excel. But open up a bunch of different workbooks and extract data from various sheets and do math on them. Whoa. I've only seen my head. Nah, y'all have seen more than that. I stood up on my chair once to try and show you my calves. It didn't work. But any more luck on the job search? I have an exam thingy that I have to do, and then I might get an interview next week. And I have a recruiter talkie on Monday. You remember us fully tatted? Yeah. Yeah, I don't have anything yet. I will get full tat. I'm gonna get full sleeves though. Like, I'm gonna be like 35 when I do it, but I will. Okay. So we got 2 days. We need to push stuff too. So, July 6th. Get status. Oh, I added that because I was confused. What is this one? 411. Get add. Stop scrolling. Okay. CC 2022 411. Oh no, I shouldn't put. Ooh, no, I should not push this to yesterday if it's 411. How about 412? So we can say git commit. I was looking at my YouTube videos because I keep putting these on YouTube because people want them on. Oh my goodness, we have. This is it. Oh, it is going. Okay. Anyway, And someone was like, you don't have to do the 2-line git commit stuff. You just have to do this. Dash M. Oh, dash M. Okay. Dash M. Add coding solution to code challenge from 4:11. So this way, you can say git commit and then you add the date before you have to amend your commit, and then you add the message. And then when you say that, it's like, okay, thanks. And then you can say git push. And honestly, it's a lot faster than what I've been doing. I just have been deliberately not looking in how to do it better. And there you go. Hey, Brendan, thanks for the follow. Look at all those empty squares. I know. And sort of do it sometimes. Firebase. Aw. Hey, Sam. Thanks for the follow. I have baby cows. What? What? I completely don't remember the context for that. Don't tell anyone about them. The names are Franklin and Beatrice. My baby cows. They live under my porch. Oh, okay. All right. I get it. Okay. You have been saying that for quite a while. Wait, Semi, are you the person who commented on my video? Because if it was you, sorry for not paying attention earlier, and thank you. Even if it wasn't, thank you. Okay. I know, Eagle, the sounds aren't working today. I don't know why. Hey, Born. Okay. So, next question. Do we look at, like, the optimal solution for this, or do we go to the next one? Because we have other leet codes we need to do. It's a movie quote? I don't know that. It sounds dirty to me. Optimal. Next. Okay. Optimal. Thank you, Edward. We're getting some more optimals. I think we gotta do the optimal. Oh my goodness. That's so much brain work. I just did that. Brain work. But not doing that. Doing the next one would be brain work too. Excuse me. I'm hungry. I don't have any food. I ate the rest of my chili. What will I do? I don't have any cereal either. Rip. No candy. Oh my gosh. It took an entire stream to read the edge cases. You have a test suite. What is a test suite? Oh, are you talking about Run.js? The data structure used for the optimal structure is very, very useful. And I'll use it a lot. It's my console logs. Okay. Okay, so, hey, Leander, thanks for the follow. If we are doing, the optimal solution, how do we want to go about doing that? Do y'all just want to give it to me and we walk through it? Or should I try and figure it out somehow? Hey, Live Healthy. Watch the vid, but the vid is not related, is it? Best look at it and walk through it. Okay, okay. What is the time complexity of my current solution? Isn't it like O(n) squared because it's it's got like 2 layers to it because it's got a nested for loop. It's not like linear. I don't really know what I'm saying, but does it make sense? I did not owe you a vid watch. Since when? Why am I yawning? It's iterating over a list of n items n times. What is that called? Is that called quadratic, or is quadratic something else? I know it's not linear. It's iterating over a list n times n times. Oh, it is quadratic. Okay. No, Glaceon. Glaceon or Glace? Glaceon. Glaceon? Okay, so how do I find the fancy solution to this? How does one do that? You're right. You're right, Green. Oh, I haven't gotten a check mark for this. I love check marks. Look, I have checklists. See? I just cross things off and I feel good about myself. Okay, we gotta copy it so I can feel successful and happy in my life. Fulfilled. So I can feel fulfilled. Oh my god, I have to have a... Rude. Okay, fine, let me do that right now. I mean, it makes sense, but also like... For sure, I never was. Who's the guy I drew the 2 teals for? Crispy Nugget. Have I worked with hash sets and hash tables? Yes. That's actually when I first started this. That was my first like, this, what is it called? A hash map. No, hash map is what I was thinking. Anyway, I was like, this looks like a hash map thingamajigger. But maybe not. I don't know. I don't know if those are the same. Advanced solution is to find a way to only iterate over the loop once. Alright, let me just make this... Oh, actually, I don't need a leetcode account if I can just do it with my GitHub. Am I a student or professional? What am I? I don't know. Look how vibrant this cup is. It's very exciting. I'm a streamer. I'm a professional. Thank you. Thank you all. This is very helpful to me. This is what it's telling me. There's no professional student. Oh my god, I just can't stop looking at the color. It says my color's actually kind of changed, and it's like overly saturated, and I'm here for it. Oh my god, it's like it's glowing. Stop staring at it. I've been to Starbucks once. This is my roommate's cup, so that's cool. Just pick pro. Alright. I did. I'm regretting it now, but like... Cool. Oh. Oh, I didn't know this was explicitly interview. What? No. That's not what I said. Wow, how fancy. Wrong. Okay. You. Social boy, tell him. Got a new... Okay, thank you for that. It should save that for me. It clearly hasn't, so I need to do that really quick. No. Let me do that. Oh my gosh, I just typed him. Oh. Okay. LeetCode. Alright, I've done it. I need to buy another green screen. I'm just lazy. I am. I'm just lazy. I'm not belonging there. Oh no, I didn't use student. You're selling one of my Starbucks coffee even though you can make better tasting at home. You've been influenced. Okay. I need to go verify my email now. Jesus. LeetCode. This is so much work. And I already did work today. Oh. Break time, bitch. It says congratulations. Thank you. I appreciate it. Submit. Tell me I'm fantastic. Did it? Did it tell me I'm fantastic? Oh my god, it did, but I wanted to do like, you know, like lights like that, you know, but it didn't, so. Wait, what's TLE? What does that mean? Is it a stream? What is it called? Is it a raid? Wait, I don't know what that means. What does that mean? Anyways, oh, oops. There went our chat. Oh my goodness, and our chat isn't even fitting into this thing. It's too long. My face is too big. Oh, wait a second. Time limit exceeded. Okay. Yep, I didn't know what that meant. Y'all know how I can bring a layer up to forward? I don't know how to say words, but like put the chat in front of my head. Wait a second, is this a good thing? Why would it be so much lower? Show off your acceptance. Thank you. Thank you. I've been accepted to LeetCode. Can move it up and down with the arrows. Wait, what are we talking about? My OBS? Oh no, I don't. I mean, like, I have my face in front of a lot of the chat here. Right in this space, I want there to be chat. But my webcam is in front of the chat, so it won't work. Use the sources section. No, it's not working. I don't know how to do it. Alt? I don't want to, no, I don't want to crop. I just, like the chat, currently, where my hands are, There's chat there that should be on the screen, but there isn't because it's behind me. I guess I could just crop the top of my head off, but I don't want to. I like my head. But what do I do in the sources? Jesus, I need to eat food, y'all, but I don't have food. So I have to make dinner. Ugh, that sucks. I want to make okra. Yeah, but you can't see all of chat. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Wait a second. No, it's below my webcam. Did that work? I'm dark. I didn't know this was a thing. Just learned a lot today. Wow. Thank you. Anyway, now I have a little head. Now you can see more chat. Hey, Fairfax. Okay, we need to do a break. And, I think I need to eat. So I think I'm just gonna, like, go scavenge for 5 minutes. I think I have some dried mangoes. So that's cool. You're welcome. I'm kind of a god. We're all gods here. So yes. I'm not even gonna fight that. You right. Okay, wait, this is not right. I don't know what to click anymore. Joke's on you. Stream is not offline. What do I click? What do I click? It's right there. It's right below it. I mean, be right back is right above end of stream. I'm so all over the place, y'all. You don't even know. Or you do know. You're watching me. Anyway, I'm gonna go scavenge. Yep. Enjoy this Indian ringneck burb. My burb, BRB burb. And then we'll be back, okay? Okay? Sorry. I was in my kitchen chatting on my phone with y'all. And I was like, oh yeah, I have a timer. Let me finish my orange. It's good. It's good orange. I forgot I had oranges, honestly. I put it in my cupboard and I opened my cupboard and I was like, you know. What is Soylent? That's mangoes. Mango. Oh, wow. It's green, but. Oh. I know. Do I like guac? No, I think avocados are kind of gross, honestly. Also, Master Firewall, I like how you said you're gonna ignore everyone else and then you ask me if I like guac. Have you ever had the frozen mangoes from Walmart? Like a bag of frozen mangoes, like 2 pounds. You just eat them. It's fantastic. There's a seed in this one. How am I doing today? I'm pretty good. Eating orange juice. Technically, I'm not chat. Mango popsicles. Ooh. I don't have a Costco membership, but my mom does. How are you doing today, Dom? It's a chunky seed. Alright. I'm all over the place today. I really am. Dom, what will you do without your daily orange? Oh, look. The top of my head is cut off. Maybe if we tilt the camera up a little bit. Secret review. Anyway. We just got accepted by LeetCode. That's cool, I guess. But we were doing like an to some LeetCode solution. O in linear. Congrats to the job at leetcode. And thank you. They knew they were hiring. God, that definitely was hiring. I'm sure of it. They accepted me. I've been accepted. Trigger Rishab Jane. Oh. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. I'm here for this torn paper against a dark, rainy window aesthetic. Transition loops. We did that. Fantastic. Oh my god, it looks like almost exactly. Oh. Well, not that, but it look. Oh, we did plus one. All right. Cool. Nice. Thank you. Hey, we did that. Oh my god, we're amazing. I knew it was a hash map. Do you remember last week when I said hash mapping? And then y'all were like, yes, but like, do it the nice way first. And then I was like, okay. How did I feel about the leetcode problem? We only changed one thing and it worked, so I'm pretty good. It's 3 a.m. for you not getting involved. You're here to watch some suffering. You should also sleep. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. You drive. Okay, so one loop with the hash map, bitch, is what I was trying to say. Hash map is a great way to optimize some of the algorithms at the cost of some space. Let's see a solution where we use hash map to solve the problem. So we take an object, which is an empty object, and then we have a for loop, and then we say if target minus what? Target minus the basically one of the numbers in the object. Return the array. What the fuck is happening here? What does this mean? Exactly, viable clan member. That's what I was saying. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Somebody help me do this problem. Is hash map legal in all states? It is almost 6 p.m. for me. I realized in the earlier stream, I was like, well, it's 4:30, and it was for me. But then I was like, wait a second, Rufio, like it's not like 4:30 for anyone else except for Blackboard apparently. Wow, that's a stringy mango. Hash maps access elements in constant time. So, what's constant time? Or just really? Oh my god, I didn't even bring my water with me. Are you in Central Time? Oh, you work for a company in Utah. Okay. Paradise says, hash maps access elements in constant time, so that allows it to be linear. Means you only need to do one operation. Simplified. Work from Minnesota. Is that how people say it? Maybe you're from California. You moved because it was so expensive? I don't know how anyone affords to live there. Seriously, though. No one has really answered me. Once I was talking to someone from California, I'm like, but like, how do you afford it? And they were like, and then they just like didn't answer, so that was cool. If it's constant time, then how Google works if they put the whole internet into... Wait, what? Wow, Blackboard, wow. There's a lot of purple in chat right now. So many shades of purples. There you go. Gets it green in here with rival clan member. Dom in here with some yellow. That's great, Blackboard. I'm glad that you didn't have to be in a shitty place like that. Can anyone explain this to me? Why does this work? What does lines 4 through 7 mean? What do they mean? Hey Dante, thanks for following. God, y'all, I don't know how much longer I can keep streaming. Like, I really feel like I'm just like bouncing off the walls today. And like you know how like you have ever seen the movie Up, and then there's Doug the dog, and there's a squirrel. That's how I feel right now. I feel like squirrel. Why does this work? Me in every algo class. Oh, well, do you have a better one, Blackboard? The drugs kicking in. You know me, got my daily dose of illegal drugs. No, but actually, like, no. I just have to do a disclaimer. We're joking, but like, I'm joking. Yeah, so I haven't watched Up in a few years. I feel like I should watch Up. I feel like I recently watched Despicable Me, and I was like, oh my god, like for the first time in 10 years, I was like, that was a really good movie in the end. The trick is, as you start iterating the array, you take target minus num I. So if you have a target of 9 and num I equals 3, you check if the hash map has a key of 6. If it doesn't exist, you create a new object. I guess I just don't remember how hash maps work. Is that what we should look up? Is it for my work or my break? It's for my work. You can't really tell the difference though, can you? This is probably... I should make a tutorial that says... hash maps for babies. Hashtags for babies. Okay, alright. Alright. Hash maps for beginners. Oh my god. There you go. Vision. My goodness, Firewall, are you in pain? I'm sorry. That sucks. It's so small. Zoom in that motherfucker. Okay, what is it? It's a map. Every map uses a key and a set of values during the mapping process. What? Glenn. I'm sorry to hear that, Firewall. I use map. I use the map object. I use the map method. Should we watch a video, maybe? Maybe a video? Do I use map in production? Well, you know what? I don't actually do anything in production, so probably not. Maybe. How about this one? What the fire? beautiful. What are we doing here? My goodness, I think it's Iceland or Greenland. Anyway. I don't understand. What were they thinking? Like, let's take a picture where we have a map. We have a match. And we have the match above the map. That's probably what's up there. Like, those sound similar. Words. Sound like similar words. Of all the things the article to be engaged with. Okay. I feel called out. Memorization. Hey, I heard about that one. Oh, wow. A long time ago. I did memorization a long time ago. So you're saying that we should look up to some O-N solution. Google. Woohoo. The map reader is really cold and doesn't have a jacket, so fire. You're right. That's a fire explanation. That's what I'm going to say. Num j equals target minus num I if and... Whoa. You're going to see my eyes here when I look at this. Wait, but don't I understand? Can I find out? Okay, wait a second. You're trying to find if a complement of the solution already exists in the hash map. I feel like my face is so little. It's such a little face. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 3 would be complement of 6 and the inverse works 2. Wow. Yo, what? Clan member, what? Oh, she's a floating head. That's all there ever was. Sorry. That's all there ever was. For every iteration, you are checking if the complement of the number you've accessed from the array exists. If it doesn't, you place the actual element in the hash map. So if we have an array of 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, and the target is 9, you start with num I equals 1. So you check to see if the complement of 1, which would be 9 minus 1, already exists in the map. But it doesn't. 8. So you place a number in the hash map, the 1. What is this music? What is this music? What is this music? What is this music? Okay. Okay. How do you write a hash map? Itchy cheek. No, don't do that. Don't do what? Okay. Okay, my face is too little. Maybe we'll put it in front of the chat anyways. I just have such a little face. There we go. And we can move it down so you can see me. Okay. There we go. Wait, what is the link you're sending me? Oh. Oh, I see. I think I get what you're saying to me, Fatal Paradise. I think so. Whoa. Wait a second. It didn't work. Wait. What did I post? Huh. So when you come to num I 6, you can take the complement, which would be target minus num I. 9 minus 6. So you check if the complement exists in the map, which in this case it does. 3 exists. That means there are two numbers that sum up to a given target. Was this supposed to have something? In this solution, the complexity is O n linear because you only need exactly one for loop to iterate over the given array. Right. I just don't know how to write it. Wait, who said that? Leon Hard. Oh, my headset's falling off. But I'm not looking at a snippet. I don't see a oh, I just got it. Oh my goodness. I thought this was just the site. No, I see it now. Okay. All right. Thank you, Rufio. Okay. All right. Okay. The sounds work now. What doing? Hi! I don't think so, viable plan number. I feel like that would be O n squared. Wow, I did not even realize I was literally looking at the solution. Okay. Hash map. We say for each number, we have num and I. We say make complement be a thing. Then you say target minus number. And we say if, oh, see, we said that equal to complement. If the complement is in the hash map, return hash map complement I And then we say hash or hash map. Or okay, or why do we say hash map num? Why can't we just say hash map plus I? I'm gonna put this in my flashcards. Hash maps are key value pairs. Aren't hash maps objects? Or objects always explicitly have key value pairs in them? Is that what you're saying? So we're saying that the num, which is in what? Wait, what? Getting a key is an O1 operation. We still need to return the indices of the array. Right? So I don't understand what this line is saying to me. So this one says hash map is an object. And this one says, well, hash map num, which we don't know that num is in there, equals I. I know I don't know the set notation. What is the set notation? You didn't know you had to explain more to me, did you? What does set do? Set. So is it kind of like how you see JSON? I don't think this is looking at a method. Not that set. Yep, you're right. Every time a hash map set is run, it will store it as num I. So think about it like associating the key with a value. Hey Trichet, thanks for the follow. Set. But this isn't even what? How's you? What? How's you? So if num I is 6, 3 in the hash map that gets 6 will
Drank.
You so rad? I don't have my water, but
Drank.
Yeah, you so right.
Drank.
Y'all so right. Yeah. Did you think you'd show up today and like to just limitless drinks and how's you? And then poor Blackboard and Fatal Paradise trying to tell me what's going on or help me understand it. I can't. I know what map is. I know what map does. Let's say you have a hash map of names and ages, and the way the hash map is set up, you're associating names with ages. John is 55 and 25. So you're saying when you do hashmap.set, this is the key and this is the value. Hey, Banius. Sort of. I'm prepping for interviews in general, I would say. I finally was like, fine, I'll do the data structures and algorithms. And here we are working on hash maps. So, how about you? All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. How did I get it? I put TypeScript on my LinkedIn, and then I also got over 500 people following me, and then I put 100 devs on there. You're right. And then they reach out to me and they're like, hello, you're exactly what we're looking for. And I'm like, I'm exactly what everyone's looking for, but okay. Yeah, sure, Banius. That would be great. Congratulations. Are we friends on LinkedIn? I don't know. Are we? You can be LinkedIn friends with me. You just have to tell me what your username is here because I don't know people's real names. There you go. We can be friends on LinkedIn. LinkedIn friends. You're going to turn the indexes of the two numbers that sum up to target, right? Right. Same, Born. I have like people who reach out to me and they're like, you seem perfect for this. And we talk about it and they're like, actually, you don't have enough experience. And I'm like, you reached out to me. Just saying. I don't reach out to you. Science is supposed to be emotionless. So, hey, all us CS and math people should be with that emotion. I can't. Whenever I stop trying to start trying to not whenever I try to not smile, I can't not smile, you know. That would be so boring though if my intonation was just here. Let me try and be hella boring. That's where I set the hash map. Hash maps explicitly. I can't do it. I couldn't even last 10 seconds. Indexes explicit. Wait, hash maps explicitly return indexes? Took me away too long. My name is Ruth. Thought that was a mod. Yep, my name is Ruth. Or Ruthie. Or Rufio. Whatever. They're like, weirdly enough, I feel like I've started identifying. What the fuck? Oh, never mind. It's fine. More with. You know what? I think I understand That's how chat's supposed to be. Oh, I see. Yeah, I forgot what I was saying. Sorry. Thanks for the bits. Am I saying your name right? Banyas? I think we're joking because I don't know. I don't know what this means. LinkedIn's make us sound like we're God. Just thank you for your help, Porn. The world is too interesting logically to be emotionally charged. Tell that to my brain. Is Ruth short for anything? No. My entire name is 8 letters long. So it's Ruth Reed. That's it. No middle name, nothing. Just Ruth Reed. Thanks, Banius. I appreciate it. Banius? Banius. Oh, okay. Banius. You hope that's not the link you sent? Are you saying that that didn't make sense because it didn't? Here, I just clicked this link. Nope, this is a link you sent. Fredo. Wow, that's really something, Blackboard. That's very wow. 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 Okay. I'm doing a shit job with being emotionless, y'all. Shit job. Oh, you know what? Like a week ago, I was really depressed. You could watch that stream. I'm very emotionless there. I'm just kind of like, well. Yep. Anyway. The thing is, Nerdist, we're like, thank you, Banius. I can say your name right. For the follow. The thing is, Nerdist, that we're trying to learn data structures and algorithms because for some reason people like want to know them, and I just, you know. Oh, it says my name. I got that. Okay. Twitch chatters. Hash map. Twitch chatters dot set. Rufio. Hello, it's Rufio. Twitch chatters set. Brighton. Blackboard. Twitch chatters dot set. Steve. The great Steve. Yo, is like the great Steve a real person here though? Like, cause I'm into that name. It's like a good name. They're all good names, but. Oh, I see. Dot get Rufio. Oh, I see. Can you do get hello, it's Rufio and get Rufio back? Hey, Gladys. Those are the data structures and algorithms you would recommend, Banius? Oh, maps are one way? Whoa. Unfortunately, Steve is a beautiful man. Made it only in my mind. Steve! Rip. Oh my god, you have something in common with Wonder Woman. She's a one guy kind of gal, I guess. Anyway, it's fine. Well, now I have to take notes on this. I have to put it in my little notepad. Thanks. What resources did you use to study? You need a house. You know, a lot of people need houses. Can we learn to build houses instead? Oh my god, I know how to build walls and it sucks. I hate home renovations. Home renovations make me so angry. Anyway. LeetCode and YouTube? Oh. What does this mean? Did we just work through a break? What? You personally studied using exercises from C programming language, but I cannot. But then do you have to know C? Because, like, I don't. Write down the problems and steps applied with pen and paper. We need innovations for wall. I moved into this house like 6 months ago, and I had to paint the whole house, and it sucked. Oh my god, it sucked so bad. I didn't have to build any walls, but and then I had to repair like holes in the walls, and I had to like change wall outlets, and I had oh, what's it called? I had to sand the walls to paint them. That's what I'd say. Anyway. Oh, types. Oh, I see. Thanks, Manius. I appreciate it. TypeScript helps so much with learning data structures and algorithms. Really? I learned TypeScript. Briefly. Okay. I can't remember if we pasted that. We did. Oh, wait. This one says has. Whoa. Wait, where did the set thing go? Where did the set thing go? Wait a second. Where does this... Has? Wait, so even though we didn't have a... We didn't make a set, it's okay to use this has and get? Ow. T-Mice when to interview? Well, hopefully next Wednesday, but it shouldn't be like too like technical, I think. I need to know TypeScript. Sand the walls? Oh, I get it. How do I say your name? Do I say Leonard or Leonhard? We made the set before the loop. Oh my god, wait a second. Where? Where is it? It's a duck-billed platypus, a technical fowl. What's your definition of fowl or birds or whatever? I didn't copy the whole code? Really? I swear. Oh, you know what? You're totally right. How did I do that? Whoa. Wait a second. It's just not like... It doesn't like this one. That's weird. Say that's weird. It's weird. Oh, no. Wait. What? What the hell? Okay. What? Okay. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. There. Okay. You're famous. You don't think that for each version would work? So you would just... So which one did we want instead? This one? Oh no, wait a second. I gotta go get my water. Wait a second. Mick. Did I flip my hair? Do I understand how we're using object? Oh, wait a second. As a map to check and set values? Yes. It's hard to hear about the migraine, Leah. You could get a wig if you really wanted to, Firewall. You could do that, and then you could flip your hair. That would be an interesting, like, it'd be interesting. What if it's weird again? Better copy all of it. Wait, why would it be nice in the winter to be bald? Wouldn't your head get cold? It actually surprises me how many people wear wigs, because I never did that. But then sometimes I'm like, oh my god, they had like really short hair last week, and they're like, it was a wig, and I was like, oh. Basically, I'm talking about the Kardashians and every other celebrity. I'm like, how did their hair get so short and then long again? They're like, wigs and extensions. Hey. Okay. So, we make a hash map, which is just an object, empty object. Oh, that makes sense, Firewall. Wait, what are we talking about? Money? Wait, what about money? So, we're gonna do a for loop, and we start at I equals 0, and then we say I is less than nums.length, and increment by 1. This is where we do the hash map shit. We say const complement, so we're making complement be equal to target minus nums I. So that will be like the first number, and so like Fatal Paradise was saying, like if we have the numbers 3 and 6 and they're supposed to equal to 9, they're complements of each other. Like 3 is a complement of 6, 6 is a complement of 3, right? And then we say, is the complement in the hash map? And if it's like, nah, then you say, okay, well then we'll take that I, motherfucker, and then we are going to put the complement in a hash map. Why is it erased though? Why? Because a hash map is a this. An object, okay. And then we say, well, if that's not actually the case, then just say, wait, we explained this. Oh, Rufio, what did it mean? I don't remember. Alright, out. Rufio! X plus y equals z is the same as y equals, whoa. 1, 2, 3, quick maps. Oh shit, motherfucker, in geometries. You can say that's a bonus. You know, that would be, I would like love to be on a team where we said stuff like that. You know, like, it's always, not ever in like a mean way, but like, hash map nums I equals I. Bracket notation is another O. Rufio. Okay. How are these the same thing? Hey, encoding. Thanks for follow. Oh, sorry. I definitely completely missed that. There we go. The hash map here is also a lookup table. What is a lookup table? The key is the number in the array and the what? No, I do say my own name. I tried myself. Brackets, syntax commonly used for getting things. Collection key. Whoa, 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 whoa. Lookup table is a fancy name for a map. Hey, JKIV, thanks for follow. What's up, table? For arrays, you can use to get by index. What? Oh, you can get by index, list index, or objects, object key. Object equals phase bus, and then object phase bus. This is going in the flashcards I never study.
Drank.
Are you so right? Okay, so this means grab that key and set I to be the value, or just it is the value? Wait, what are we saying yep to? Setting it to the value. Yep. I think I'm hilarious. I'm not even kidding. I do. So I think maybe I sort of get this. Debatably is what I was trying to say before I choked on whatever, I don't know. My soul, I don't know. Hashmap 6 equals 3 makes hashmap equals 6. 3. 3 is the number to which thou shalt count. The number of the counting shall be 3. 4 is right out. I don't know the exact, what's it called? Quote. Checking out soul sim. Yep. That's us. I feel like that's like the biggest thing. Like, I don't know. have going for me on stream is just like, is silly and relatable. I don't know. I think I just got meta. I don't know what that word means, but it seems appropriate in this situation. Yay, Blackboard. Congratulations. That's a lot of excitement for the number 3. Wait, do you don't know what I'm quoting, Dom? No! Yes, exactly, Glacian. Glacian? How do I say your name? Glacian. Exactly. Monty Python. Oh my goodness. I had to do a dramatic gasp. Wow. You know they put the rabbit in the Witcher 3? I saw it and I was like, yo, is this a Monty Python reference? It was. Spam a lot. Are you talking about the Camelot song? Or is it a different thing? We did, Glacian. We did. We're done. Wait, we are done, right? There's an implicit type conversion, object keys. What do you mean? Oh, you're asking what we are doing. We're explaining this thing on the board and then talking about Monty Python. So. Oh, it's stuck in my head. No, spam a lot. Anyway, so there's the linear solution for the two-sum problem. That makes sense, Green. Oh, wait. Oh. Wait, why would it implicitly make the key a string? Why would it do that? Because they're both numbers. Wait, but not how you wrote it, just barely. Where's Brendan Ike? Person who made JavaScript. Wait, there are two of them. What is this? Who is absent? What is this? What is this? Implicit type conversion is also why you get to check equality. Use 3 equals for 2. I'm so bad at like equals, the equals. What? These look the same as all the other ones. I don't know what I'm looking at. Look at y'all not streaming. Why aren't you streaming? Why aren't you doing it? The difference between the two equal signs and 3 is that 2 converts the variable values to the same type before performing comparison. Oh. Oh. Thank you. I needed to know that. Are you sure no one wants to watch that, y'all? I don't know. Y'all watching me. But there's more in my notes. Notes like that. Beautiful. Beatamus. Hey, Viper, thanks for the follow. Okay, y'all. Every time I do leetcode, I choke on my spit, apparently. Anyway, every time I do leetcode, I only get one problem done ever. But, like, my brain is just like in freaking, like, the clouds right now. So I think we'll wrap up stream here and we'll go raid Zybrith, who we raided the other week, one of these last weeks. Yeah. Here she goes. If you have hash map 6-3, your hash map equals... Wait, but why? Where does the string come from? I know y'all love me, but I just, like, I cannot focus, which just sucks because, like, I was waiting and waiting to stream. Maybe we'll do stream this weekend. What do we think? Maybe that. Because I kind of need to do this whole, like, job test thing. I don't know if I should do that on stream, but, like, what if I did? You know what I'm saying? Hey, Tucker. What's up? Did you ever end up streaming? We need... Oh, we're... just... Yeah, so... we're wrapping up, but you are in time to see the optimal solution for the two-sum problem. But my brain is just like, it is just in La La Land right now, so. Because Java devs ask for it when JavaScript isn't. What? What are we wrapping up? I'm offended. You had a technical interview lined up? You've been standing like crazy? Whoa. When is it? Why not do this in Python? Because I only know JavaScript. One thing at a time, bitch. That's probably wise to study like crazy for technical interviews. I don't know. I don't know that I've ever done that. This probably explains a lot, honestly. You know how it goes in this one, you know. Hey, developer, thanks for the follow. You like that, Viper? After years of Python, I'm concluding it with hell no. That made sense. You gave them availability. You gave them your availability dates today. You know. Wow. Well, let us know if you need any help. There are lots of really helpful people here. And good luck. You're gonna do amazing. Wow. Going over the guide? Oh. Hey, thanks for the bits, Viper. They gave you a guide? Wait a second.
How about that?
How about that? can't, like, my eyes are suddenly extremely dry. I'm trying to make intense eye contact, eyes. That's awesome, Tucker. You can invite me to another Discord, but I will also be totally upfront and say that I'm so shit at checking literally all the Discord communities I'm in. I'm so bad at it. Anyway, I don't even like... I'm barely even in the 100 devs one, though I should be there more. I try and see if anyone's ever asking me anything, but... I do have a Discord, but I can't use it as a 100 dev streamer because Leon, the teacher, doesn't want the community splintered, you know? They want it all together in one place, so we only use that Discord. Awesome, Tucker. I forget I need to breathe. Do you ever do that? I was holding my breath. You know, a couple of years ago, I would subconsciously hold my breath and then I would go like that because I just like would breathe out, right? And I didn't notice this, and like my family would be like, "Is something? How about that?" My family would be like, "Is something wrong?" I'm like, "No, I'm fine." And they're like, "You sound like you're like disgruntled or unhappy." And I'm like, "I don't know where you're getting that." And they did that so much, and I was just like, what am I doing that's making them like say this? And then I did it, and I was somewhat cognizant of it, and then my brother's like, "Why are you like venting at me?" And I was like, "Oh, I apparently hold my breath and it sounds like I'm like scoffing." Breathing manually. You'll hiccup into a deep breath like you forgot or something. Interesting. How's LeetCode? It was good. My brain is just like, I don't know. It's like I've been saying, it's in La La Land today, and I don't know what's up with that. But we did go over the optimal solution to the twosome problem. I was gonna say project. Melchius. Have I done today's daily challenge? Oh my god, do they do daily challenges? I've been trying to do the grind 75, and so far I've done one, so that's cool. This is why I don't have a job. Melchius. So I can imagine dragons in a band you've never heard of. Have you really not ever heard of? If you do exclamation point Paiute developer Volpo, you'll see the biggest project we've worked on so far, which is an online talking dictionary for a Native American language to help preserve it. Basically, if you look for fold, that's in the database, but made a database and it saves like data about the word or the sentence or the phrase, but mainly it saves a like audio clip. We haven't worked on that for a while. It was too lame. I'm offended. Eid? Is it Eid? Is it? Is it really? Like the Abraham sacrificing one? Did with recursion took you a while? Ooh, how many? Did you do it one every day, Michael? Did I copy your LinkedIn? No, I tried to copy like my resume, which you basically wrote for me, so it was you, basically. Oh, well, Eid Mubarak. I'm so sorry I didn't know that. Oh my goodness, I need to text my host family. Yeah, I hope you're having a great Eid. Falafel, I lived with a Muslim host family for 11 months, so I even fasted an entire Ramadan. Because I was like, I'm in this all the way. I'm going to experience this. And, you know, it wasn't that bad except for when, like, it was over and then everyone's like, let's eat a fuck ton of food. I'm like, how do you have, like, that much space in your stomach? Like, I don't get it. We just ate, like, 0 food for a month. Anyway. You do leetcode daily to keep your brain going? Whoa. Just try to spend an hour a day coding. This isn't Ramadan. This isn't the Eid at the end of Ramadan. I know that. Tried fasting, but then you got hungry, so I had to get some fast food. In the religion I grew up in, we fasted once a month as well, so it was not, like, unusual for me. So. Okay, y'all. My brain. So, we're probably going to wrap up stream. Because my brain. Who do we want to raid? Do we want to raid Zybrith, who's 100 dev? Or we could raid Foamy, who's also doing leetcode. Which is more in line with what we were doing today. That's true. Well, that explains. Yeah. Yep. Goodbye, it's Rufio. Ooh. I should. Wow. I never thought about that before. Goodbye, it's Rufio. Foamy? Okay, well that is definitely more like what we're doing. We rated them a couple months ago before they had anyone really watching them, and now they get a lot of people watching them. Sometimes I see them have like 30 plus people, and I'm like, hot damn, good for you. Alright. Thanks for hanging out. Sorry, my brain. Sorry. That's all I can really explain and say, honestly. Sorry for my brain doing weird, not understanding things. And I don't know. I don't feel like I'm doing that much this weekend. So maybe we'll do a surprise stream. And we could work on more leetcode, or we could work on this thing I have to do for this job interview. Anyway. Wow. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate you. Let's go raid Foamy, cause they nice.